Hello?
Do you have White Death's son?
What, you mean this dickhead with the silly face tattoos? Yeah, he sat right here.
And the briefcase?
Yes, of course, I've got the case.
You will both deboard at Kyoto Station. Then your business with him will be concluded.
It was just here.
Well, it's not anymore.
We need to find the person who took that case.
Maybe you're right. Maybe my luck is starting to turn.
Yes. Me. But you are Yuichi Kimura. And you came here to kill me. My parents call me Melinke Prince. That means little prince. Obviously, they wanted a boy. You're going to want to hear the whole story, or you'll be very, very sorry. It's the hospital. Hang on. Hi. Yes, you can see the boy now. Good. If you don't hear from me every 10 minutes, or if I don't answer this phone when you call, I want you to go in there and kill. I'm sorry, what's your boy's name again?
Wataru.
Right. Right. Kill Wataru. Aren't we glad we waited?
We got a son. That was our job.
Our job was to come back with his son and his $10 million. 3 words describe our situation right now. Do you know what they are?
Sure do. Saved his son. Family's more important than money, right?
Do you honestly not know who the White Death is?
Yeah, I heard of White Death. You just told me 5 minutes ago he cuts off arms.
Why do I even bother forwarding you the briefings?
I do not know.
The Japanese underworld used to be ruled by a man named Minegishi. Now, Minegishi was one brutal bastard. But he was old school, you know. Tradition and loyalty was all that mattered to him. When you were in, you were in. You were like family. He treated you like you were one of his own. Then out of the blue comes this 6'6" geezer from Russia. Whispers that he was exiled from the Russian mafia, that he was ex-KGB. No one really knows the truth. But what is known is this Russian worked his way up the ranks, bit by bit, kill by kill. And very, very fucking quickly became one of Minegishi's closest advisors. And those loyal to him said, "Hold your horses. This geezer ain't a full ticket. He ain't to be trusted. He's dangerous," they said. A modern plague, they said. A White Death. So sure enough, they were right. He made his own alliance. His own gang. And what'd he do? Stabbed him in the back. I mean, metaphorically, he blew his fucking brains out, didn't he? He wiped my name Minegishi off the face of the earth in one single night. Made an empire worthy of the White Death.